Hello traders, hope you are all doing great. Hope you made good profit. Hope the markets are being calm like this every day. Hope I have lots of subscribers. Hope lots of people watch my video. So it is all about hope, right? Let me tell you a very small incident. You know Alexander the Great, right? So he was raging war against the Persian kingdom. So he was traveling along with his whole crew, and one day immediately when he was traveling, he got sick and he was very sick. So his Hippocrates, right? Hippocrates means doctors in Greek. Hippocrates were not able to find the cure for Alexander the Great. So when Alexander was sick, he was stationed in the Persian kingdom, inside the Persian kingdom. So what his generals and what his spies told that is that we will call the Persian doctor and ask if there is any cure for the Alexander the Great. So Alexander the Great, in spite of many generals, his top spies, his top advisors saying that is not a good idea because the doctor from the Persian kingdom might poison him. It is not good idea to call the Persian doctor. So Alexander the Great ignored all this and he sent his general and invited the Persian doctor to see if there is any cure for Alexander the Great. So the Persian doctor came and he saw he examined Alexander the Great and he told he will be back in 2 days. And as he told, he came back after 2 days and gave Alexander the Great the medicine, and Alexander the Great was cured by that medicine from the Persian doctor. So after taking the medicine, the Alexander the Great told that to the doctor that one of his spies, top spies, told that we cannot believe the Persian doctor. He might poison you. And Alexander the Great ignored all this thing and he took the medicine. And what is the moral of this story is that it is all about hope, right? We are boarding a train to reach a destination in the hope of reaching the destination. We are boarding an aircraft in the hope of reaching the destination, right? It's all about hope. Hope is being able to see the light despite being in the darkness. You have to understand that. So why am I saying all this is because you might be not profitable in this market as an option buyer, as an option seller. You might not be profitable. You might lose some time. Don't lose hope, right? Don't lose hope. Keep trying again and again and again. And I'm sure all my subscribers, I hope all my subscribers will make money one day, right? You see, I have a hope of developing this channel. I have a hope of making this channel very big, but there is no view. Despite of no views, I am working hard. I am posting 2 videos. Weekend also I am posting videos in the hope of making one day or another this channel will grow. That is my hope, right? So let's hope for the best and see what is going to happen forward. We have a lots of events coming up. We have a very important event tomorrow. Day after tomorrow also we have a very important event. The event is that tomorrow we are going to have around 6 p.m. tomorrow evening 6 p.m. we are going to have the inflation rate month on month, after which inflation rate, core inflation rate year on year, and inflation rate year on year is going to be out tomorrow. That is 13th June 6 p.m. India time. Now after that 14th we have a very important event. 11:30 p.m. day after tomorrow night, federal interest rate decision is going to come out. FOMC economic projection is going to come out, which is going to decide the market condition, market trend, not condition, market trend, where we are going to go going forward is what we are waiting for. Not only we, even the whole world is waiting for the US data outcome, whether it is Asia Pacific, whether it is Europe, or whether it is US future. All the markets are waiting. Now if you see today's price action, hardly Nifty, Bank Nifty and Fin Nifty moved much, right? Nifty doesn't want to come below 18,600, Bank Nifty doesn't want to come below 44,000, and Fin Nifty doesn't want to come below 19,400, right? So markets were jiggling and it was up by plus or minus 50 points. That is it. Whole day long it was traveling very smoothly. So this is what option seller expects. This is how option seller, if the market behaves like this, option sellers are going to make money, right? So that's what I told 2 days back. If you see the open interest, huge number of Bank Nifty open interest, huge number of short straddle is being written at 44,000. And you know why 44,000 short straddle is being written? That is because had you written a short straddle on Friday, you would have collected 500 rupees premium, and lower break even would be 43,500, and upper break even is going to be how much? Around 44,500. So market in this week, market cannot, I wouldn't say cannot, will not move more than below 43,500 on, and on the higher side it is not going to move above 44,500. That's why lots of people are writing huge number of short straddles at 44,000. So market makers or market movers believe that Bank Nifty might not go on the higher side. That's why they have written huge number of call options at 44,000. And in terms of Nifty, you can see that people are writing huge number of put option, and I think 18,600 is having huge number of put option, which means market makers or market smart money thinks that 18,600 might not be taken out, right? Now as I talk to you, US futures are all kind of flat, and DIIs have bought for 1,793 crores and FIIs have sold for around 626 crores. So this is about the market. So make sure, in case if you are having any positions tomorrow, make sure you hedge your position, or it is better to exit your position tomorrow before market closes. Tomorrow is Fin Nifty expiry, kind of, there might be kind of volatility, so I would suggest you exit your position before going home. If you are an amateur trader or beginner, I wouldn't suggest to trade in this kind of market, because you will see two-way, three-way moves in the market. So better to avoid this kind of market. If you are an expert trader, if you are an expert in this option selling, I would suggest you can really sell options, and you can make sure you can hedge your position and you can go forward, right? And one more thing, last but not the least, we will see how US futures are trading now, and I'm sure US futures are going to be flat today. There is not going to be much of any big movement as of now. US futures and European futures are all kind of flat, 0.5% up by 0.5%. S&P VIX is up by 1.26%, which means before binary event, S&P VIX, not only S&P VIX, CBOE VIX and even India VIX rises, and that is not unusual. So this is usual only. So we'll wait and see what happens. We cannot say market is going to go up or it is going to come down. We will have to wait for the markets for the data, and once the data is out, we will have a clear direction where the market is headed, right? SGX Nifty is slightly in the red, maybe 10 or 15 points. That doesn't concern, or that doesn't matter. Even today morning, SGX Nifty was showing more than 70 points gap up, but it never gapped up, and it actually opened flat. Nifty opened just 10 points flat, right? So we'll see how things pan out. I hope I have summarized everything. I'll see you in yet another video tomorrow morning. Till then, take care. Bye.